If you're a student planning a career in IT, or you're a parent watching your child choose computer science, this video is important because AI is changing how people enter tech, and most colleges won't explain this clearly. For years, the plan was simple. Learn a programming language, get a degree, do a few certificates, apply for jobs. That plan worked when companies needed people to do basic coding and basic tasks. But now, AI can do many basic tasks instantly. So the value is shifting, not away from students, but away from simple, repetitive work. AI can already help you write code. It can answer questions. It can suggest solutions. That sounds good, and it is good. But here's the problem. If a student's only skill is, I can write basic code, I can copy and paste code, I can follow steps, AI can do that too, and it can do it faster. So what should students do? Stop thinking like, I must become a typing machine, and start thinking like, I must become a problem solver. In the future, the best students will not be those who write the most code. They will be the ones who can understand a real problem. Think calmly, break it into steps, and build a solution that works in the real world. Now listen carefully. Everyone says, do projects, but students often do the wrong kind. They copy a project from YouTube. It works once. They show it in an interview, and they can't explain it. That doesn't help, because in real jobs, things don't work perfectly. They break. They give errors. They behave differently on different days. So when I say do real projects, I mean build something small for a real use. For example, a simple expense tracker for your family, a study timetable app for yourself, a small website for a local shop, a system that reminds someone to take medicine. Then make it better. Add a feature, fix mistakes, improve speed, improve design, handle errors. And yes, it should break sometimes, because when it breaks, you learn the most important IT skill: how to find the problem, how to fix it, how to make it stronger. That is what companies trust. Now the most important part, use AI. But don't let AI do everything for you. Because if AI does everything, you don't learn. It's like using a calculator. If a child uses a calculator for 2 plus 2, they will get the answer, but they will never learn math. AI is the same. If you use AI to write your entire assignment, you will submit it, but you won't be able to explain it. And in an interview, you will be stuck. So here's the right way. Use AI like a teacher, not like a shortcut. Ask AI, explain this to me. Give me 2 options and tell me the difference. Show me why this failed. Teach me the logic step by step. Then you write it yourself. You try. You make mistakes. You learn. Here are skills that decide careers, but colleges rarely teach properly. How to explain what you built. How to think when you don't know the answer. How to debug calmly. How to work with others. How to take responsibility. These are the skills that survive any technology change. So if you're a student, don't panic. AI is not here to end your future. AI is here to change the rules. And you can win if you prepare the right way. Learn to think, learn to solve, learn to build, learn to explain, and use AI to learn faster, not to skip learning. Comment below, are you a student, a parent, or a working professional? And for more clear, honest guidance on AI, careers, and the future of IT, follow and subscribe to @Digital Profit OmShree.